how many are on my top row? Thumbs up if you can tell me. Thank you for not calling out boys and girls. Can you all give yourself a pat on the back for not doing that? That's really being respectful learners so that you give everyone a chance to think. Thank you very much for doing that. So who can tell me how many I have on the top row? Thumb up if you can. How many do you see? 3. Do you agree? Show me if you agree. 3. How'd you know that? How'd you know that was 3? You got it by ones? How'd you count by ones? Can you say what your mind said? 1, 2, 3. Let's all do that.
1, 2, 3.
We counted by ones. Did anybody use a different strategy to know that was 3? What strategy did you use?
I counted by 2.
How did you count by 2s? Okay, so you started with 2. We had that in our last problem, didn't you? Can anyone see that? Say me too, or show me me too if you did. 2, 3. Can anyone repeat what he just said?
2, 3.
Thumbs up if you can. I didn't ask for everyone to. Remember, we need to give everyone a chance to think before we call out. If I ask everyone to chant and say their answer, then that's fine. But I really need to give everyone a chance to think. What did we say? 2, 3. Okay. So use the last problem to help us. All right. Oh, I'm not going to put that there yet. How many do I have on the bottom now? Don't call out. Thumbs up if you can tell me how many I have. How many do I have? I haven't heard from you yet. 3. How'd you know?
Because I looked at it.
You just looked at it. I did too. I just looked at it. And I used something up here to help me. How did anybody else use something up here? How did you know it was 3? Someone want to share their thinking? I'm seeing some of the same thumbs. Some of the same thumbs. Can I see some different thumbs up, hopefully? You should all at least be thinking. Okay? How'd you know? How'd you know it was 3?
Because I looked on the top and I counted by 3.
You looked on the top. Did anybody else use the top row? Say me too, or show me too instead of saying it. 3, and this says 3. It's the same. Okay, so we know it's 3, and there's 3. How many do we have all together, boys and girls? Alex, how many do we have all together?
6.
How'd you know?
Because I counted by 3s.
You counted by 3s. How come you could count by 3s?
I don't know. I just noticed how.
Can you tell me what your brain was thinking?
Yeah.
What did your brain say?
3 and 6.
3, 6. Alex can count by 3s.
I can't.
And this math fact in the Rekenreks beads showed him that he could because they're the same number. If you see the same number, you can count by it. So we could count by 2s up here because I saw 2 here and 2. 2, 4. Same number here. 3, 3. So I could say 3, 6. 3, 6. Does everyone agree that the answer is 6?
Yeah.
What other strategy could you use to know that that's 6? Alex said because they're the same top and bottom, I could count by 3s. 3, 6. Did anybody use a different strategy? I'm looking for everyone to at least show me they're thinking about maybe a different strategy. So your hand should be over your heart. If you have a different strategy to share, give me a thumbs up. What strategy did you use?
I counted by 3.
You counted by 3s too? 3, 6. Can we all say that?
3, 6.
Okay. So it looks like everyone counted by 3s. And that's okay because we use that strategy for adding 2 plus 2. We could use it for 3 plus 3. What do you notice about these math facts, boys and girls? We're going to end our number talk by